Overnight trading is officially here, guys, and you never would have thought of it. The ability to trade 24/5, right? Not 24/7, not over the weekend, but 5 days a week. You can now trade select securities 24 hours a day. It is insane how the world is progressing and changing over time and the opportunities that are opening up to us. So we're going to talk about it, guys. Overnight trading, anytime is a prime time for your portfolio now with 24/5 trading from WeBull. You can now trade select securities 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. It is pretty incredible. Now you can trade certain companies like Apple, Amazon, Tesla, IBM, Google, Meta. There's a lot of different companies that you can invest now to unlock. This will unlock after hour opportunities with overnight trading strategies. This is a new thing. No one's ever done it before. Now, we used to have regular trading hours, right? The trading hour market, the window, and then we had extended hours, and we had pre-market, and every brokerage company is different. But with the power of Webull, they are now promoting 24/5 trading. So you could react to global news and earnings instantly instead of waiting. If something comes out at 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. or 5 a.m., you will be notified right away. You can now stay ahead of the curve by reacting instantly to earnings or global news that can impact the U.S. stock market, which can present crucial advantages in that overnight session or even pre-market sessions, leading to more profits in your trading portfolio. Now with Webull, you can act swiftly and strategically whenever news breaks, and you can trade informed, stay informed, trade overnight. It's insane, guys. So these securities are tradable 24 hours a day. We wanted to go over them just a little bit here. Now look at the volume. There's no volume on MasterCard overnight. That is quite interesting. There's only two, but SQQQ, which is a inverse ETF that shorts the market. TSLL, this is a 2 times bull for Tesla. So if you already are making money on Tesla, you can get 2 times your percentage profit with TSLL. There's Nvidia, Tesla itself right there, TQQQ, which is the triple leveraged ETF for the NASDAQ. And then there's so many other companies. I mean, there's a full list here you guys can check out on your own. Now, some frequently asked questions. What is 24/5 trading? Well, 24/5 trading offers access to the overnight trading session, which operates from 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Sunday through Thursday. Okay, so at 8 p.m. on Sunday, you can begin trading compared to waiting Monday morning at 4 a.m. The addition of this overnight session enables trading 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Now, again, this is for select securities. Okay, and we need to be cautious about this because right now it's so new. There's not a lot of volume in overnight sessions. So I want you guys to understand that it does add an extra layer of risk when trying to execute your positions, your entries and your exits. If you have a solid trade plan and you have a sell limit order and there's no one around to buy it, you will be stuck with that limit order until that morning when there's a little bit more volume. So I do want you to be aware of that, okay? Now, how does 24/5 trading work? Now, overnight trading execution and quote data are offered by Blue Ocean Alternative Trading Systems, or aka boats. An alternative trading system operates outside of the traditional stock exchanges, connecting buyers and sellers to execute a trade. Now, significant price movements, corporate actions, and changes to internal risk controls can temporarily or permanently alter the securities that are available to trade. So this is still somewhat a work in progress. Now, how to place an overnight trade? It's quite simple. The same way you would any other trade, you would first confirm the stock you are trading is tradable in the overnight session by it showing a 24 hour icon. There should be a little, I wish I could showcase that to you here. I do have it on my phone, but it's just a little tiny icon that says 24 hour. And And in that stock quote page, it also, you can verify that it's traded in overnight session. There's also a list of 24-hour tradable securities where you can just hit 24 hours and it'll show you all the symbols and equities. Now you select the trade, you specify whether you want to buy or sell like you normally would. Now you would have to select a limit order, whether it be a market stop, stop limit, or trailing stop order. But it'd have to be a limit order, okay? Market orders are not available. Stop orders, stop limit, and trailing stop orders are not available in overnight sessions, the same way that they're not available in the pre-market sessions. Now you need to specify a limit price and quantity, and also fractional orders are not available in overnight sessions as of right now. Now for trading hours, select overnight. This will ensure your trade is active between 8 to 4. Now there is a new feature for that. It'll say during market hours, during extended hours, and then it'll say overnight hours. There is a third feature there now in that little drop down window. Now a time force of day is only supported in the overnight session. Day orders will remain open until the end of the overnight trading session. If not filled, the order will automatically be canceled at 4 a.m. So if you're placing an order for night and you go into the pre-market 4 a.m. session, it'll cancel and you'll have to create a new order. Okay? So you're wondering why, hey, this order isn't getting filled, or where did it happen to the order that I placed? It's because it got canceled. Now confirm and place your order. Please note margin usage is not available either in overnight sessions. And if your order's dollar amount exceeds your cash buying power, the order will also be rejected. Now, when you have funds, your funds in a cash account will not be settled at the end of the trading day. They will only settle at the beginning of a trading day, which will be pre-marketed 4 a.m. So if you used all your cash during a Friday trading session, you will not be able to use it, or let's say Thursday trading session, you will not be able to use it in Thursday night overnight buying power. You'll have to wait until Friday morning pre-market session. And then you would have to save or have money available to use for that night period. Now, are day trades affected? Yes, right? So trades placed in overnight sessions between 8 and 11:59 p.m. are marked with a trade date of T1. Trades placed in overnight sessions between 12 a.m. and 4 a.m. are marked with a trade date of T, okay? If you guys want to pause this and look a little bit more into that details of what that means as far as day trades, buying at 9 p.m. on a Tuesday, selling at 10 a.m. on a Wednesday would be one day trade. Okay, I want you guys to be aware of that. So it is extending the trading day, but you also can be more affected if you have day trades, right? So if you figured your day trade was here, now we're in an overnight session, you thought you'd get a swing trade, it doesn't work like that. And then how to display overnight data. By default, charts and position data will display the day 4 p.m. close. There is a little tab that you can click on that'll help you navigate, and you can change that to 24-hour position or overnight position. Okay, so trade your way with WeBull's powerful platforms. You can trade on the desktop, you can trade on mobile, and we also have there's also a system coming up called WeBull Web Trade, which will make it very easily to use on the computer or even on your phone. So if you're interested, you like that kind of stuff, definitely check out some of my live streams where I actually use the WeBull platform, as you can see here. And we actually use this to trade daily. If you are interested in anything like this, or you just want to learn a little bit more about how I trade and my style of trading using WeBull, definitely check it out, as I would love to be a part of your success. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can check out WeBull, guys. You can sign up with my link below. It is the second link in the description. You can sign up with my link and get free money to start using to invest as early as Monday morning. So thank you for your time. Like always, remember to smash the like button, and we'll see you all in the next video.